everyone, and welcome back my YouTube crypto site channel. Today we're talking about a coin that's getting a lot of attention lately, SPX 690. Whether you've been into crypto for a while or you're just starting to learn, this video is for you. I'll walk you through what SPX 690 is, how it's performed in the past, what's going on with it right now, and what could happen next. No complicated jargon, just clear info, some honest thoughts, and a bit of fun along the way. So let's get started and see what's really going on with SPX 690. Let's kick things off with our first question. What is SPX 690 and what's its current market standing? SPX 690, ticker SPX, is a cryptocurrency currently priced at $1.15 per token, with a market cap of around $1 billion, according to the latest data. That's a hefty presence. Imagine $1 billion in digital coins. You'd need a wallet bigger than a starship. It has a total supply of 930.9 million tokens, with a max supply capped at 1 billion, and nearly all tokens are circulating, giving it a fully diluted valuation of $1.14 billion. That's the total worth if every token was out there at today's price. SPX ranks 578 in the market, which puts it in the spotlight, but not quite at Bitcoin's level. Yet it's holding its own like a scrappy underdog in a crypto cage match. How has SPX 690 performed historically? Oh, folks, this coin's journey has been wilder than my attempt to explain crypto to my tech-averse uncle. Its all-time high was $1.77 on January 20th, 2025, just 4 months ago, when SPX was probably throwing a digital party at the top of the charts. Since then, it's down 34.8%, which stings a bit, like realizing your crypto games won't buy that dream yacht just yet. But here's the jaw-dropper. Its all-time low was $0.0000234. 0.0000234 cents on August 16th, 2023. That's less than a fraction of a cent. From that low, SPX has surged by an astronomical 43,745,722.53%. If my bank account grew like that, I'd be sipping real champagne on a private island, not just daydreaming. Now, let's ask, what's the recent performance looking like? SPX has been flexing some serious muscle lately. Over the past 7 days, it's up 25.27%, like getting a high five from the market. In the last 30 days, it's climbed 25.8%. And over the year, it's soared by a staggering 7,442%. That's the kind of growth that makes you want to do a happy dance. But hold on, crypto can be as unpredictable as my cat choosing between napping or knocking over my coffee. In the last 24 hours, SPX ranged from 0.9575 to 1.21, showing some volatility, but also plenty of chances for traders who thrive on action. Here's a big one. What's driving SPX 690's market activity right now? The coin is buzzing with a 24-hour trading volume of $91.37 million, which is 8.53% of its market cap. That's like a lively crypto festival, with traders swapping tokens like hotcakes. SPX is active on major decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, where the WHE-SPX pair pulls in 7.67 million in volume, and Radium, with the SPX Sol pair at 3.28 million. These are high-confidence markets, meaning you're not stuck trying to trade SPX like it's a rare vinyl record at a yard sale. The price is steady at $1.15 across these pairs, signaling strong demand and a solid foundation. Let's move to who's holding SPX 690, and what does that tell us? There are 116,810 holders, a huge community, like a stadium packed with SPX fans. The top 10 holders own 30.59% of the supply, with the biggest whale holding 149.19 million SPX, worth $171.4 million. That's 16.3% in one wallet. Talk about a crypto mogul. The rest of the top 10 hold between 9.22 million and 28.3 million tokens, while 69.41% is spread across other investors. This mix is healthy. It's not like one person hogging all the crypto cake, but it's not so scattered that it's a free-for-all. Over the last 30 days, holder numbers have stayed steady, between 116,000 and 117,000, showing people aren't dumping SPX like outdated gadgets. Now, let's get to the analytics. What did the numbers say about SPX's ecosystem? The market cap has been stable around $823.02 million recently, despite some price swings, which is a good sign of resilience. Token transfers are lively, with values hitting up to $60,000 in the past week, meaning SPX is being actively moved for trading or staking. This keeps the ecosystem humming like a well-oiled blockchain. The data also shows consistent DEX trading volume, with spikes up to $30,000 over the past month, reinforcing that SPX is a coin with action. Here's the big question everyone's waiting for. Where is SPX 6900 headed in the future? Time to put on our fortune teller hats. No crystal balls, just data. The 7,442% growth over the past year shows SPX has serious momentum, and the 25.8% gain in the last month suggests it's still charging forward. But the 34.8% drop from its all-time high is a reminder that crypto can be a roller coaster. More twists than my attempt at karaoke. With a 1.7 billion market cap and strong trading volume, SPX has a dedicated fan base, which is bullish. The technical analysis shows steady growth over 3 months, with dips in early March and mid-April, but a strong recovery by late May. If this continues, SPX could test $1.50 in the coming months, especially if volume stays high and more exchanges listed. But, serious moment, friends, crypto isn't all sunshine and rainbows. A dip is possible, especially if the broader market stumbles or those big holders cash out. If SPX falls below 0.95, it might test 0.80, but the strong holder base and active trading make a crash to its all-time low unlikely. The broader crypto market, Bitcoin's moves, regulatory news, or economic shifts like interest rates will play a role. My take, SPX 690 now has upside potential. But keep your eyes on the charts, and don't bet your life savings unless it's just a jar of coins. Why did the crypto trader miss the party? They were too busy holding their dreams. But seriously, if you're eyeing SPX 6900, watch the volume and holder trends. The data shows a vibrant community and consistent activity, which is a great sign. As we wrap up, let's answer, why should you care about SPX 6900? This coin has a strong market presence, active trading on platforms like Uniswap and Radium, and a diverse holder base. It's like a cosmic dance. Sometimes a smooth waltz, sometimes a wild spin, but SPX has the moves to keep up. Whether you're in it for the long haul or chasing quick gains, SPX 6900 is worth watching. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me on this SPX 690W deep dive. If you love this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next crypto journey. Drop a comment. Tell me, are you hodling SPX? Or are you just here for the virtual cookies? Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.